Think about the last time a stranger asked to merge in front of you in traffic. Did you wave them in or inch forward? Now scale that feeling up. And here's the big question. What actually drives our views on immigration, and what does trust have to do with that? Researchers dug into a national US survey and asked, who supports tighter limits on immigration and who supports openness? So they looked at things like age, education, politics, where people were born, whether they believe others can be trusted, and whether they think discrimination is real. The findings? Well, older Americans tended to prefer more restrictions. Conservatives were more restrictive than moderates, who were more restrictive than liberals. Higher education was linked to more welcoming views of immigration. And native-born respondents were more likely to favour limits than the foreign-born. Now here's the important trust part. People who have higher social trust, who thinks that most folks are fair and honest, were less likely to support restrictions. And those who recognise discrimination were also less likely to favour limits. Those factors together explained almost 40% of differences in views. And that's a big chunk for social science. And this is kind of important, because trust changes the lens. When we expect cooperation, strangers look like future neighbours, teammates and customers. When trust runs low, the same people look risky, uncertain and maybe even threatening. The policy stance often follows that gut feeling. So yes, politics matters, education matters, but trust really acts like volume control on a threat.